Mayor, so are you for amending or lowering the age of criminal responsibility, amending the juvenile justice law?
Well, I think we have to be careful with that, no? We have to listen to professionals, child psychologists, psychiatrists too. At pag lower ng age, I think it should be qualified, no? If you're talking of a heinous crime, like, let's look at this. Kung hindi mga minor to, you can actually call it a terroristic act. Because they terrorized the school and they killed people. And that's exactly what terrorists do. So, if you're involved in terrorism, I think there should be no age limit there. And if you are involved in what do you call this, a heinous crime, and the fact that it was premeditated or sinasabi nga nila that there was some sort of knowledge and yan titignan nilang mabuti yan. Kaya kailangan i-qualify. Hindi importante masyado yung age. Ang importante, anong klaseng krimen na ipapatong dyan at nakikita nila na, na pwede babaan mo ng 12, pwede i-retain mo ng 14, paano makakaso yan? Kasi if you lower the age to 12, ano nangyari? Kahit suntukan, pwede mo na ikulong yung 12-year-old. Suntukan lang yung nangyari. So ito, i-qualify mo dapat yung ano yung kaso.